So welcome you all guys to debugging doubts. In this video I'm going to say how to solve a Turing machine. So given a string as a power n, b power n and c power n, all the powers are equal and n is greater than equal to 1. So in this case let us take an example. Suppose let our string may be a, b and c. Okay, there are 3 c. Okay, so n is 3. So here what I do is first thing I'll write it in this way. Okay, b a b c and b. So blank is appended to both the ends. So now what I do is I need to change. So see, if there is a, I will change to x, and b I will change to y, and c I will change to z. So this I will do in many iterations. So here I will do by 3 iteration and solve it. So what I do is, first thing is you basically try to understand. So when I get a, so first I will start with this blank. Okay, so Turing machine is just a kind of machine in when each bit it will traces, and it can, one thing, it can write or it can read, and it can also change the value, that is right, and it can move left and it can move right. These are 4 operations that the Turing machine can do in each of the state. So when I am in b, now I'll go to a. So if I reach a, then I need to change it to x. Then any number of a, I'll keep it as it is. Then when I get first b, I'll change it to y. Then any number of b, I'll keep as it is. Then when I get c, I'll change it to z, and any number of c, I'll keep as it is. Then when I get blank, what should I do? I should come back, return back till x. So what I do, if I get c, keep it as it is, c keep it as it is, z also keep as it is, b, y, a, you all keep as it is. When I reach the pointer to x, then I came to know this is my first x, and do nothing. So x is here, then move towards left. So now again, once again I will start the same iteration. So a, make it as x, then any number of a's, keep it as it is. So y, then b. When I reach b, first b I'll change it to capital Y, and then any number of b's, keep it as it is. Then z, so keep it as it is. Then c. So when I reach first c, I'll make it as capital Z and move forward. So c, any number of c I can keep it as it is. Then b. When I get b, I know I reach to my end. So once again you go on skipping all the term as the same. So when I reach my first x, so what I do, when I'm in pointer x, so I will just change next one as a. Once again I'll start, right? So a will be converted to x, and y keep it as it is, y keep it as it is. Then b, first b will convert to y, any number of b's later will change it. Then z, keep it as it is. Then c, when you get first c, you will change it to z, and this will be blank. So when you reach blank, you understood. So once again you will go till you reach the first x. So first x is here, I'll write it as it is. Okay, first x is here, now your pointer is here. So what you will do, you will go to next one. So when you come x to y, so see, when you get x, next term you will be getting a, but here when you come to x, next term is y. So you will change the state, so it will become y, and y all keep as it is. And then see, from here also y, then you will get b at least, but here there is no b, so keep it z only, and here also you will change the state, and z and z and b. When you reach blank, then you must be in the final state. So let us first draw the this diagram, then it will be easy to write up. So first I'll be in q0. Okay, so when I'm in q0, what should I do? If any number of a means first I get any first a, so I'll write this way. Okay, a, and I should convert to x and move towards right. Okay, so this is how I need to represent. So I'll go to next state. So q1, this when I get a, I'll convert to x and move towards right, though this arrow represent right. Okay, this is comma actually. So I'm in the q0. So when I'm in the q0, what should I do? Any number of a comes, I should be in the same state. So any number of a comes, So any number of A comes, I'll replace by A only, okay, A by A, and move towards right, just move towards right. Then I'll go this number of times. Then when I get first B, so what I do when I get first B, I'll just change my state. So B comma then capital Y, sorry, B Y, and I'll move towards right, and this is my Q2. And when any number of B later on, I can keep it as it is. So B will be B only, just move towards right. And when I get C, what should I do? First C, I will replace C by Z and just move towards your right. Then this is my Q3. So when I am in Q3, so I can keep any number of C as it is, right? So I'll keep it as it is. Then C will be replaced by C, just move towards your right. So when you get a blank, now's the turn. So when you get a blank, you must keep blank only and just move towards your left. And from here onwards, you can write here. So when I get, so see, when I get blank, you are coming back. So when I get C, I should neglect, right? So C also should be kept as it is, just move towards your left. And when I get B, I should keep B as it is and just move towards the left. When I get capital Y, keep capital Y as it is and just move towards your right. When I get Z, keep Z as it is, just move towards your left, okay? So this way you will reach up to here. When I get X, first X, what should I do? I should start my iteration once again. So I'll connect this. When I get capital X, I'll just keep capital X, and you are moving till left, right? Now you will move towards your right. So you started moving to your right side. Now once again the loop will start, and here you can see. So when you are Q1, number of A will come. Then here it is B na. So from A it will go Y. So Y also should be in the same state. So I'll write it here. Y should be Y only and change it to same state. Similarly here. So number of B will come, and then Z also will come, number of Z. So you need to neglect that. So Z will be kept Z only and move towards your right. And this process will go on till you reach a first X. Now you are in the Q0, right? So think, you completed all this iteration. Now you are in the Q0 and your first X is this thing. So you are actually basically moving towards right. So when I move right, there is a Y, but here only I'll accept if it is A. So what I'll do, I'll change my state. So here I'll do Q4, okay? And when I do this is Y, I replace by Y and just move towards the right. So I'll do on keeping on doing Y only. So Y, just move towards the right. This loop will go on till I get all the Y. So when I get all the Y, then I'll jump to Z. So there should be also state. So when I get Z, I should remain in Z and just change the direction. That is just move towards the right side only. Then I'll be in the Q5. So any number of Z, it is fine. Any number of Z. I just need to move right. Then when I any number Z I reach, and then suddenly I get blank. So when I get blank, this is the final step. What should I do? I replace blank by blank only and just move towards your right, and this is my final state, that is Q6. So here we have written the diagram. This is how you need to analyze all the things. The question may be anything, you need to analyze and draw according to the diagram. Then we need to write the table. For table, what I do is I write Q0, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. So there are 6 states, okay? So here I'll write A, B, C and X, Y, Z blank. All the state I have written here. Now what I do, I will check. See, from Q naught, if I get A, what I'll do, in Q naught, if I get A, I'll convert to X. So I'll write Q naught will be convert to Q1 and then it will be X. So A will become X, and then what should I do? I should move towards right. You can represent by arrow or you can write R and L, doesn't mean. So when I'm in Q naught and I'm getting B, when I'm getting Q naught I'm getting B, so this is rejected, so just make it back. When I get in Q naught and C, not acceptable. When I'm in Q naught I'm getting X, not acceptable. When I'm getting in Q naught and getting Y, so what should I do? I should move to Q4. So I'll write Q4 and this is my capital Y will be capital Y only, and what should I do? Right. And when I get Z in Q naught, nothing. When I get blank in Q naught, nothing. Now Q1. When I am in Q1 I am getting A, so what should I do? Q1 comma when I'm in A, I should replace by A only and move towards your right. And when I'm in Q1 I'm getting B, so I'm in Q2 now. So Q2 and B should be replaced by capital Y and move towards your right. And when I'm in Q1 I'm getting C, nothing. This is not acceptable. This way you can fill all the values. And here is how I filled the table, all the values. So sorry for the misconception. I need to do the columns and do it properly, but you need to write it in this manner, so you can solve in this way. So thank you all guys for watching. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you all.